exactly. It's fine.
Well, hello everybody and welcome to NDE 2024. How's everyone doing today? Okay, one of you is doing okay. How are the rest of you doing today? Let me hear ya! All right, there we go. Well, I am here at the Intype booth. Thank you very much. I'm here at the Intype booth, and what we're going to do today is we're going to tell you all about new models to replace traditional batch foaming and biomass pelletizing extruders. That's right, you're about to get a sneak peek into some high-tech technology all the way from Taiwan. But first, I want to introduce somebody very special. It is our general manager from Intype. Please welcome Johnny. All right, thank you so much for joining us, Johnny. Now, to start off, why don't you go ahead and give us a little introduction to Intype and what makes your company so special?
My company comes from Taiwan, or I'm here in Taiwan, Thailand. Intype company came from 1963. Until now, we have a 60 years. Okay, we work with Intype. In three different types: wood alive, physical type, computer manufacturing, and biomass.
Now, I see you brought some examples of products that your company makes. Can you share a little bit about what you brought today?
Sure. So, let me introduce you for first. This is for the new type of physical people manufacturing. Okay. We use for the CO2. We use the CO2 and N2 gas inject for the compound mixed with the polymer to be for the big central furnace. Okay. Everybody know normally foam active we need to use the chemical foam. But in time we have some special we use the physical type. Okay, that's mean is the CO2 and N2 gas inject. We make for the big after that use the steam forming and to produce for like the goods application. This application is not for the big only, it can make it for the sheet, a foam sheet, or foam profile, or foam tube.
All right, now as we're moving away from traditional batch foaming methods, what are the advantages to using continuous physical type polymer bead forming extrusion?
Position for the big foam, we have two ways. One is use the batch, like you say. Another part we think about, if you use the batch type, it's too dangerous and the capacity is too less. And you are not easy to control in the part for the big quality. But the continuous type is non-stop. And if you want to change in different industry, you just need to change it for control data, you can do it. It's more easy and more.
Now, I see some common household items here that you brought with us. Can you share some of the applications and products that the average everyday consumer may see, coming from biomass pelletizing and bioplastic compounding pelletizing extrusion methods? And what are some of the benefits for those consumers and for the environment?
Okay. For next table is by biomass plastic. Okay. We usually customer use the two-stage pipe. Okay. First stage pipe, this is the raw material. Is the first step. This is the cold starch. Okay. We use the first machine we produce it for the pure starch pellet. Okay. To be the main additive. Okay. Then we use the second machine producing for application pellet. Because the biomass you can support for the protein. Okay. You can use the injection and the sheet producing or blow molding. Okay. And the second machine you can use for the pure starch pellet to combine it with, for example, like a polymer or PP or PBAT. Okay, depends for different kind of application. So we can do this, we can do this, okay, we can do from. Okay, this is for our technology for biomass plastic.
Well, Johnny, if I could take you right over here, I am especially interested in these products here. Can you share a little bit about these products that kind of have a wood-like texture, a wood-like look to them. Can you explain the process how we make these?
Yeah. Okay. This is this name is foam PPE. What is the foam PPE? Foam PPE is plastic, wood and plastic. Is the plastic and the rubber are the same. And we make this wood alike. It's by nature. Okay. No old fiber inside, but is more wood. This for this technology. We separate with two parts. One is material component. The second one is the profile of the fish. And the other function is the density we can control is 0.2 to 0.7%. Depends on the people. For example, if your application is in the pencil, we try to control the density 0.2 to 0.7%. But if your application is into our perspective application, it should be the density of 0.7%.
So you're saying there's actually no wood at all in any of these products?
Okay.
Wow. The rainforest definitely appreciate that. And speaking of saving the world, there's a big push for environmental sustainability. What is Intype doing to focus on environmental issues?
Regarding for the foam PPE, this application is not only for the children only. It's still can use the same material we apply in the injection machine. Yeah, this is my customer and product. You can do this one and you can do this one. Yeah, and also can do this one.
I actually really like these products because they really do feel like wood. There's a great texture to them.
Thank you.
And I've actually used this brush personally, as you can see. So these are great products. I love how light they are as well. And they're great for the earth. So, I mean, a win-win situation right there. Now, can you give us a little bit of an overview of all of the amazing technology that Intype brings? And can you share a little bit about where you see Intype going in the future?
Intype company is able to do solid F. We are into the green industry. So living the research, we focus on time about upgrading. So for PPE, yes, because you don't need to color treat. Okay, but you can do good one. For the second, it's a vegetable type. You don't need to use the chemical foam, you can make it for a foam base. Okay, good for it. Bio. So everybody knows what the biomass. Yes, people know. And biomass we use here starch. Still old It's what we do.
Right, so I see Intype is doing a lot to help Mother Earth and helping us to remain environmentally friendly. So, do you have any parting words? Anything else you want to share about Intype before we head out? But I think we're going to do a little bit of a game after we're finished here. So, any parting words about Intype? What you want to tell to our audience here?
Intype company, we are the machine maker, but we also is the solution supplier. So we never think about we are the machine maker only, because we support the customer and some good solution good for the earth.
All right, so I see we've gotten some people to come around. So how about we play a little game? We'll see if anybody's been paying attention. What we're going to do is I'm going to ask some questions. If you know the answer, raise your hand high up in the sky. If you get the answer right, you're going to get a prize. Okay, sound good? Really easy. And I think, yes, thank you. I think the prize is, this is the prize over here, right? It's a pretty cool prize. All right, so if you've been paying attention, you could be walking away with this amazing